Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today we're going to take a look at friction and chafe and how they apply to the control lines aboard your boat. If you can use a straight line between the load and hauling part, you will have less friction and chafe. Let's take a look at 5 line saver tips you can use aboard your boat to save you money and wear and tear on your expensive sailing lines. You want to keep line leads as straight as possible and avoid contact between belay points. Look between those 2 belay points for any obstructions that could cause wear and tear on the line. You want to reduce the amount of cockpit-led control lines. Although popular, this can induce both friction and wear. Relead control lines with acute angles. Here you can see these deck-led control lines pass over the line organizer blocks at an open angle. This will create less chafe and friction and make your control lines easier to handle. Make chafe prevention your #1 goal with all lines that you use aboard your boat. Now let's take a look at what happens when you insert a block in the path of a line. If we insert a block between the load and hauling part, we induce friction. The more acute the angle formed, the more friction we will have. Chafe will increase with higher loads. We will have less friction and chafe if we open the angle as shown in the illustration. Make it your goal to lead lines in as straight a path as possible to reduce friction and chafe and make your sail control lines easier to handle aboard your boat. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.